Why don't you feel confident? A short time ago, I noticed something about myself. I noticed that all the time or every time when I do all the things I promise to me or to myself, I increasing I'm increasing my self-confidence. Why? Because when I do the things I promise to me, I'm put inside of my brain that I am capable, that I'm able to do these things. If you want to become more confident or to have self-confidence, you need to do all the things that oh you need to do the things you promise to you. It's the truth. This is my advice to you. Maybe it's study, practice another hobbies, or read a book. You need to do this if you want to become more confident. Okay, this is the truth. Do this and you will see it. Yes, thanks mate, and see you later in another video.